Right everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are off today to get the ST with brand new set of wheels. And I see wheels, I mean tyres. We're gonna get a brand new set of tyres for this thing. They've been running low for probably a couple of months now, and to be fair, I've been worried about them popping down the M25. So we go and get them replaced, get nice and safe, brand new. We're going for Bridgestones this time. We normally go for Michelin Pro Sports, but we're going to go for Bridgestones this time. We're going to try them out, see how that works. Has quite a good review, to be fair. Yeah, so we're going to go with those. Yeah, let's get on our way. Let's get over there. Car's starting to warm up a little bit, and then we're going to yeah, go and get some brand new tyres, which I'm quite excited about. Oh, and by the way, we've got a Christmas deals are on at the moment, so head over to CUSTOMRIDES.uk, check out the corner of the screen, click on the link. There's loads of stuff on offer. Got loads of air tech for Fiestas, Focus, Mark 2s, Mark 3s. We've got all the Fiestas up. We've even now started to put some Audi products up. And we're going to get the VW up as well. So do go and check out CUSTOMRIDES.uk. There's loads of offers on. We've got the merch out with the beanies. Keep your head warm. Yeah, definitely worth checking out the deals that are on right now. So head over there and go and check them out. Right guys, we made it to our destination. So we are going to get these tyres fitted and back up and running properly and safely. Right guys, yeah, so we made it to our destination. We are going to yeah, as I say, we're going to get brand new tyres because the ones on at the moment are pretty shocking, to be honest, and I've left it way too long. But at least we'll be safe, and yeah, I'm quite looking forward to it, to be honest, because the car feels terrible. We're also going to get the front wheels tracked. We're not going to do the rear wheels tracking at the moment because the rear bolts are seized. So we do need to get new rear lower arms, so we get those replaced at some point soon in January, and also get an oil change because this is overdue for an oil change. It's just been over a year and it's looking a bit dark, so let's get this done today. Important, be safe. Brand new tyres, as I say, always check your tyres definitely to make sure they're in good nick. So all 4 being replaced today, and we're going for Bridgestone. I can't think what the name is. I'll let you know in a moment. A little bit low. This thing's looking under here, looking a bit rusty. Be good to paint these. Bridgestones, H&R shocks. Got the new lower arms in there. So trekking being done right now. Got a Hunter machine as well, which is good. Tyres look really good. So we're only going to do the fronts. As I said, the rears are seized, so we'll have to work that out later. She needs a bloody good clean, I tell you that for a start. So might try and get that done today. Right, well, always under the impression the rears weren't going to move, but this dude's managed to move it slightly, so it's slightly out on that side, so I think he's managed to do it. If he has, that's pretty cool, because it was slightly out on the rear, on this side, on the passenger rear, so it's slightly out on that side, and the front driver's side, so would have given a little bit of crabbing on the road. So hopefully he's managed to do that, hopefully without breaking it. That'd be good. Then we get the front just adjusted up, and then we've got brand new wheels and tracking done, so that'd be good. The tyres look good. I wasn't sure about the Bridgestones, but they're Turanza 6s or something, so they're premium tyre. As I say, I normally go with the Pro Sports, but this time these had a better review, last a little bit longer hopefully, and they look pretty good. I think these were an A and a B rating, so yeah, all good. So anyway, while the guys are doing that, I just thought I'd mention again, we've got the CUSTOMRIDES.UK website up and running. Definitely worth checking out. We're going to actually put some new merch up on there shortly, so do go and have a look. We're going to do a hoodie range and a t-shirt range. So yeah, keep your eyes out for that. About to release that. I'd love you guys to jump on that and support the channel. Well, we've managed to get it moved, so we've got the rear done as well, which is good, because I was getting a bit worried that we couldn't do that. So, oh, well, there you go. This guy has managed to get the rears done, so we should have a fully tracked car. Yeah, because he was feeling awful, to be honest. He was absolutely feeling dreadful. So I'm really pleased that we got that done. So yeah, we're just going to leave them to it and then get back on the road. Right boys, let's get going. Tyres look good. Let's go and give this thing a wash. Oh no, look, ruined the tyre. Look at that. God, they're not very good at doing. Right, let's get going. New tyres, trekking done. Right guys, let's get off. Let's get back. Plenty to do now. Hopefully we can get this car washed because it's well overdue. But at least we've got brand new tyres on the car, and although some of the paint's come off on one of the wheels where I'd actually painted it. It was chipped. Looks a little bit worse than it should be, to be honest. A little bit annoyed about that, but nevertheless, it did need a bit of attention, to be honest. Annoying, but let's get off. Let's go and sort that out, and just sort out the car in general. Right, guys, so we're back. So just to give you an update, these were the Bridgestone Turanza. Is that how you say it? Turanza 6s. They had a nice, I mean, they were reasonably priced. I say reasonably, it's still a quality tyre. A really good rating on the tyre. In fact, compared to the Pilot Sports, I think I said Pro Sports earlier, there were Pilot Sports that I would normally go for, Pilot Sport 4, but we've gone with these this time. And as I say, they had a good reviews on these. Just need to really give this car a bloody good clean. It's been, I would say, about 2 months that we have not cleaned the car. The only thing was the other tyre, unfortunately the actual wheel, where I have painted it a couple of times, this has taken the worst bit. To be honest, probably slight carelessness, you could argue, so that's a bit of a shame, but we do need to get that one refurbed. The rest are fine, no markings on them, so as I say, she needs a bloody clean, but at least we've got the tyres done. We're safe now. The other ones were extremely low, and we also got the tracking done on the front and the rear. This one was out. He managed. Hey guys, so the phone died on me halfway through telling you about the wheel, slightly damaged, or where the paint's come off. Bit of a shame. As I say, you could argue a bit of carelessness, but to be honest, that part of the wheel had been painted, so the paint's come off rather than the actual powder coating, I guess. So you could argue can't be helped, but so we need to address that. But we've got brand new tyres on, which is wicked. I think the moral of this story is don't leave your tyres too long. It caused all sorts of issues, from bouncing around or just not, I mean, basically any line in the road, it just wandered all over the place. It was horrible, especially going down the M25 every day. The danger of having bad tyres. So do check your tyres. Glad we got new ones now, and we managed to get it all tracked up, so she's driving really nice. So really glad that we've got that done, and now I think we're going to give it a clean. So thanks for watching, as always. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do, and the bell icon, and I'll catch you on the next one.